I'll try and creamy.
Who gave you that? Who gave you all that cream, huh?
Here's Yolanda's. Here.
What?
Here.
For me?
Here.
Oh, thank you. That's a lot of cream for me.
It's good?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's
Yeah.
good?
Yeah, I like it.
See.
Mmm.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
You relax it. You
You
relax it.
You likes it too, huh? Eva gets excited, huh?